Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete all user code on a Kwikset smart code 910 Deadbolt in 2026. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to simply remove the interior cover of the lock, and when you removed it, you are going to see this type of program button inside it. So you need to simply press this particular program button only once, and this should enter the programming mode and indicating that it is ready to receive the commands. Now after pressing this particular power button, you just have to simply just take a look at this particular button, and over here you just have to press this particular lock or this unlock button. Now if your lock has a master code enabled, you just have to also enter it when prompted, and then you need to press this particular lock button again. So this verifies that you are authorized to make the programming changes. After doing this, what you need to do is you need to simply press 9, that too 6 times, and after pressing 9 6 times, you just have to simply press this particular lock button once. After that, you need to simply press 9 6 times again, and then you need to repeat this process by pressing the lock button one final time. So this command instructs the lock to erase all the stored user codes. If it is successful, the keypad will flash green and you will also hear a confirmation beep. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.